Hey, thanks for joining me. I want to talk about the overall market, and today my topic is hitting record highs in the stock market. Now, the reason I chose that is two main reasons. Number one is that people think that just because the overall market goes up in terms of the Dow Jones Industrial Average, which is just 30 stocks, the S&P 500, which is a list of 500 stocks, or the NASDAQ market or the Russell 1000, that because those indices have gone up, that their portfolio should go up as much. Well, the point I want to make is that your portfolio, if it's going up as much as those, then it has to be exactly like those type of indices. That sounds great when they're going up. It's not so much fun when it's coming down. The other thing is everybody's risk tolerance is different. So at Five Plan Partners, we are looking to see how much risk is being taken and how that risk tolerance really impacts your overall portfolio. I had a couple in here recently, had double-digit returns, but the thing is that they were really nervous that the market was hitting new highs. One of the spouses felt like because we'd hit new highs that the market was probably ready for a major correction. That's not the case. Just because it goes up and it hits a record high does not mean that we've peaked. In addition to that, and I'll go back to 1996, Alan Greenspan stated in 1996 that we were experiencing irrational exuberance, but it wasn't until 2000, 4 years later, that the market started to correct. So there's a lot of variables that go into this, and in addition to that, the indices, like the Dow Jones Industrial Average, the S&P 500 Index, those are just gauges as to the overall economy and the overall market and how things are going. The problem in our industry, and I want to be quoted on this, is that the industry markets itself that they compete with the S&P 500 or the Dow Jones Industrial Average in relation to your portfolio. But guess what? That has nothing to do with your personal dreams and goals that you want to achieve. So as we hear about the market hitting new highs, you need to understand that the real return you need to be focused on is the one in your financial blueprint, which tells you that you need to be making this or better in order to achieve your goals. Because with that, you can do it with the least amount of risk and stay on track and know that you're ahead of the game. At Five Plan Partners, we have those conversations with our clients. If you're not a client, I hope this dialogue is important to you, mainly because if you're not discussing it with your financial advisor, maybe you need to be talking to us as well. So thanks again. Those of you that forward this to friends and families and colleagues, I can't thank you enough, and I will look forward to talking to you soon. Thanks.